In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a community to a custom feed. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen, whether you're on the Reddit website or using the app. The overall idea is simple. You're going to visit a community you like, open a small options menu, and then add that community to a custom feed that you either already have or you'll create a brand new one. A custom feed is basically a personalized stream of posts from only the communities you choose, which can really help cut down on noise and keep your Reddit experience focused. First, go to the community or subreddit you want to include. You can get there in a few ways. You might click it from your home feed, search for it using the search bar, or choose it from your subscriptions list if you're already a member. Once you're on the community's main page, just make sure you're looking at the place where you see its posts, banner, and description. Next, look for the three dots menu. This is often called the More Options menu. On desktop, you'll usually find it near the top of the page, close to the Join button or the community name. On mobile, it may appear in the upper right corner of the screen. Take a moment to locate it. If you don't see it immediately, try scrolling slightly or tapping near the community header. When you find those three dots, click or tap on them. A small menu will pop up with several options related to that subreddit. From that menu, choose the option that says Add to Custom Feed. This tells Reddit you want this community to be part of a personalized feed you control. If you already have custom feeds, you may be asked which one you want to add it to. But if you don't have any yet, or you want a separate collection, select the option to create a custom feed. You'll then be prompted to name your new feed. Pick a descriptive name so you'll remember what kind of posts it contains, like tech news, cozy games, or study help. After confirming, Reddit will create the feed and add this community to it automatically. From now on, you can open that custom feed to see posts only from the communities you've added. Repeat these same steps with any other communities you want, and you'll quickly build a focused, personalized Reddit experience tailored to your interests.